What's up, YouTube? This is Just Doing Show, and I wanted to come on and say happy Sunday to you. I hope you guys all have a really good week. I made tacos. I'm hungry because thank you, Dad Vader. You guys go check her out. She started doing her channel, and she's put up a little couple videos of cooking, which we all know I've said I don't do very well, so I appreciate her. Florida Dad Vader is her hubby, and he's got some great videos up of Disney. I love it. I get to see all the characters that I just love in Disney anyway. I collect Disney movies, and I'm just a big kid still. I love it. I get all excited with the characters, and you guys check that out. So much color in the videos, and it's awesome. Actually, it's a great idea to do that. I'm sure people do, but I just never looked it up before. So I'm really appreciative of his videos. And let me see. Oh, Becca's Easy Recipes. You guys go check out Becca's Easy Recipes. She makes some great meals, and oh my goodness, she made a pineapple dump cake. It was so good. Hers looked way better than mine, and I think I used a little bit too much juice. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but mine's not turning out like your guys. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm gonna have to go back. I told you, I can mess it up. I promise you. If it can be messed up, I will mess it up somehow until I learn how to do it. I'm such a nerd. It's okay. I love me. Anyway, you guys have a happy Sunday. I'm working on some videos. I almost got the reflectix done. I was almost done with them this morning. I worked on them last night, and I ran out of silver duct tape. I'm like, are you kidding me? So I had to wait till my daughter went and got some for me, bless her heart, and brought it back. So I'm going to eat some food and get my second wind here. This is when I really come to life, is like the afternoon. But I've been busy like the last 2 days. So I apologize, everybody, if I haven't been able to watch you guys. I'm doing fine. I've just got so much going on. Anyway, you guys be safe, be kind. Remember, everybody's going through something. Toodaloo.